Hello and welcome to another APro tutorial. In this video I will be explaining how to change the resolution output from your DVR to be displayed on your monitor. So let's get into the video. Here is the default home screen for a 4-channel DVR. Drag your cursor to the bottom and the toolbar will appear. Click the menu icon in the bottom left of your screen and then click Setup. Here go to General under System. Here you will find the option to change your resolution. Once you pick the correct resolution size, click Apply. Then click OK. Your DVR will automatically restart with the new resolution size.